everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today, you guys, we've got Boxycharm base box for the month of May. Here's what it looks like. I just got it today. Have not opened it, so let's see what I got. All right, if you are new to Boxycharm, it's about $27.99 a month for the base box. Goes up from there. You can get premium, which runs around $40. You can get Luxe. Now, what happens is Luxe is quarterly. It does replace your box, your base box. Runs like $55 if I recall. I'll put all the information down below in the description, okay? All right, guys. Here's how we know it's base. It's got that Boxycharm, and that's red. Got my card. What is the theme? Super Bloom. There you go. Let's see what my variation is. I have 22 for 2022-05 for May. Box 009 BA for base. So got my cheat sheet, tells me everything that's on it and the suggested MSRP. So let's get into it. Look at my packing material. I got packing material. I got 2 pieces. All right, here we go. CAB Cosmetics. Let's see what they have to say about CAB. This is a lemon and lime lip duo oil. It's a lip oil duo. MSRP $39. It says, with a juicy lemon and lime scent in 2 new shades, your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. Honestly, you guys, I used to hate lip oils. They're actually really nice. I like them now. And actually, I really like CAB Cosmetics. So I used to have a lip oil here. I'm pretty sure I used it up this winter. So that's cool. It's 2. Let's take a look. I don't know about that MSRP of $40, but I don't know. Ooh, you're stuck. Ooh, you're a little tricky bugger. Ooh, she's jammed in there. Come on. There we go. Lemon and lime. I really like lemon and lime, so I think the last one I used up was a purple one, if I remember. Or it's around here somewhere and I just don't know it. It might be. I have a whole lippy pile behind me, so... All right, I am not unhappy about that. Honestly, though, that $40, $39 MSRP, I would not pay that in the stores for 2 things of lip oils. I just wouldn't. All right. Maybe I'm jaded. I don't know. All right, what do we got here? Woo! I believe this is my choice item. This is the Ciate London Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. I'm pretty sure I picked a cheek tint. So this is $22 for this MSRP. It says the Dewy Blush is a next-gen gel balm tint blush that is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky powder blush. With ultra lightweight finish, Dewy Blush leaves a subtle hint of color that you apply to the cheek, blending effortlessly into a modern glass-like sheen. Formulated with natural extracts of yuzu and dragon fruit, the blush brightens your base, leaving the skin with an even and healthy flush of color. Again, $22. That seems a little high for, what size is this? Does it tell me the size? Well, maybe it'll be on the tube. What does it say? Ooh, it is cruelty-free, 0.33 ounces. Okay, guys, you see the size. Would you spend $22? I mean, this is going to be one of those where a little bit goes a very long way. So, I don't know if I want to swatch it. I don't know if I'll keep it. I have a lot of blushes, you guys. That's what it's going to look like. I'm going to hold off on swatching. I'm sorry, you guys. Honestly, I have a lot of blushes. I have a lot of highlighters and I have a lot of blushes. And I don't see myself reaching for a liquid. I think I've got a couple others and I don't really reach for them. So that could go in y'all's giveaway pile. All right. So again, $22 on that. All right, we've got Basic Beauty. This is an eyeshadow primer. I like, you guys, eyeshadow primers just make life so much easier. This is $18. It says an eyelid primer base formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts up to 12 hours. I have 2 primers I'm using right now. Same company, slightly different shades. One is really, really, really like very light tone for like doing a cut crease. And the other one is more of like my skin tone. So this is what it looks like. So that's cool. I like that a lot. I probably will hang on to this. same type of top as the blush. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Are you gonna come? Come on. Okay, why is it not coming? I'm afraid I'm gonna like, it's gonna like explode. Why are you not? Oh, there we go. Okay, I got an itty bitty little bit. Like tiny. So it's right there. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it just boom, blends and disappears. Feels really nice. Just boom, gone, disappears. So no real color tint to it. Going to blend effortlessly into your skin tone, whatever skin your eyelids are. Oops, I'm sorry guys. I did drop this on my microphone. I'll hang on to that. I like that. I'm always in for eyelid primers. Honestly, they last a long time. The thing you got to remember with an eyelid primer is don't glob it on. You just want a light amount. You don't want a huge thick layer. That's never good. Okay, 2 more items. Skincare. Honestly, this box is okay, but I don't know. Skin Incorporated supplements. This is a Serum Glow Filter, 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. $50 for an ounce. Glow up with this, with the world's first skincare makeup. Serum Glow Filter. Blending beauty and technology into one bottle, this clever concoction is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc.'s top 2 best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. You guys, those aren't revolutionary. To give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for day use, and it's personalized your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish and reducing the appearance of pores and red skin tone. $50 for 1 ounce. Honestly, you guys, people who work in the skincare industry will tell you most skincare, it's all the same ingredients. But it's the fancy packaging that tells you that you need to spend $50 on this. Look at all the pretty beads in there. It's got a really fun little squirter. So for 50 bucks, I guess I'll use this. Why not? Let's prime that. Ooh, it goobered all over me. A little scent to it, but I don't think it's like, I don't think they put fragrance in here. You guys, it is Korean skincare, which I appreciate. So you can see that serum in my hand. Very, very reflective right now. Wet. We'll go ahead and let that settle into my skin and come back. $50. Okay, last item. First of all, here's my second piece of packing material. Are you jealous? I've had months where I haven't gotten any packing material. Okay, big old bottle of something. Oh, it's a toner. I should have known because it's heavy. This is Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner from Glow Oasis. It is vegan probiotics and prickly pear extract. You gonna tell me the size on here, or are you gonna be crabby? 4.05 fluid ounces or 120 milliliters. White text. Tiny white text. Let's see what the MSRP on this. You guys, toner. I get my toners usually. TJ Maxx, like $4, $5, $6. So this is going to be expensive. You know it is. Ooh, $34 for toner for 4 ounces. 4.05 ounces. $34. Give thirsty skin a drink of Milk Dew. Not mildew, Milk Dew. This toner meets moisturizer, features a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and Ciate extract to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. It's a perfect energy boost needed to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. With its pH balancing formula, this vegan toner improves the skin's texture and tone. It also helps improve any last traces of dirt or excess oil that can cause breakouts or irritation. $34. Let's take a look. I'll use it, but I mean, wow. I seriously get like a giant bottle of toner for like $4 or $5 or $6 when I go to TJ Maxx. I mean, that's even cheaper than you can get the, I think it's Garnier that you can get at Walmart. That's less than $10, but it does look like milk. So it is a glass bottle, super heavy. It's got a stopper in it, which is good. I'm actually using a toner, so I'm not going to open this right now. And yeah, you can't smell anything, so it's nicely sealed. But I will use it. Would I buy it for that kind of money? I don't know. Just on the surface, I would say no, because it's really expensive for toner. It's basically a makeup remover. And I know, and it tones your skin and all that, but glad to get it in a box. I will definitely try it. Again, price on that, $34. We are getting back to this lovely, lovely Skin Ink. It's $50 for this sucker. ZeeSea Serum Glow Filter. We're almost dry. It is definitely a little reflective, but it's also not totally dry yet. I don't know if you guys can see that. Definitely going to leave a shine to the skin. Sticky. It's very sticky. That would drive me crazy. Hopefully your makeup will stick to it and like you're not going around with tacky, sticky skin all day. That would drive me nuts. It's tacky. So I don't know if that'll still soak in or what, but okay. So yeah, it is skincare makeup, they say. And then we have the blush, which honestly, you guys, if I didn't have like probably a dozen or more blushes, I would consider keeping it, but I don't reach for the liquid blushes hardly ever. So it's going to go in y'all's giveaway basket. We've got the Basic Beauty Primer, which, I mean, honestly, just jumped right in and blended seamlessly into my skin. Felt really nice. I'll use it. And then the duo, I should say, the Lip Oil Duo, Lemon and Lime from Cosmetics. $39 for this. The Basic Beauty was $18, and the blush was, what, $22, I think? Yeah, $22. So, what do you guys think? I mean, I got some makeup, blush, and a primer, and you could call these lip oils sort of, maybe, towards makeup. What do you think? Again, my variation on this one, you guys, is variation 009 for the month of May 2022. Again, this is it. Super Bloom is their theme for the month. What do you think, guys? Let me know down below. Love to hear your thoughts. I'm not wowed. I'm not like horribly disappointed. Honestly, you guys, life is pretty stressful right now. I've got a lot going on with the family. Surprisingly, the cat seems to be holding his own. I have not had to give him fluids in a while. We've got him trying to eat again. He's pretty consistently eating, and I see him drinking and eating. Question is, what was the underlying cause of all this? Guys, I don't know. I'm guardedly optimistic, but honestly, maybe he's got a cancer. Maybe we pulled him through an acute phase and he's just going to kind of waver on. I don't know. Honestly, you guys, I just don't know. So we're just day by day with him. And then my dad, you guys, is not doing good. It's not good. It's really not good. So it's been a pretty crazy week. A whole lot of unknowns going on right now. Yeah, I'm trying to help my mom. My brother's trying to help my mom. It's just, he's not doing good. He's really not doing good. So, it's been a little wild. I've been very distracted. It potentially could be, a wild next month or two. I have no idea, you guys. Between planting, we're going to get it ready to make hay probably in two weeks, maybe. Between my dad, the cat, work, it's just crazy. It's just a wild time. So apologies, you guys. I haven't done a ton this week in videos. Honestly, I'm just waiting on a ton of stuff to show up. Boxy showed up, which is really nice because honestly, I was going to have a video tonight for Friday morning. So I hope you guys appreciate this. I appreciated this showed up. I'm going to check my P.O. box tomorrow. I think I got a bunch of stuff for sure coming either Saturday or Monday. So this is my lippy from Trixie Mattel Cosmetics. Actually, I have it in front of here. This is the cream puff color. That is the Trixie logo. It's cute. It's a little heart-shaped bottle. I love this color. Y'all know. Got me a little Trixie back there. I just kind of felt like pink. So this one's a Trixie. All right, you guys. Have a great one. I will see you all on my next video. Bye, everybody.